Hey everyone! So, I know, I'm late, but I have a reason. I just didn't really feel motivated to make any videos this week, and also because I had quite a bit of work. But I'm here now. I think I said that in the last episode. Whatever. Anyway, we'll be making this llama, which is really cute, and yeah, that's all there is to it. Here's how to fold it. Let's get into this. I just want you to know that there may be lots of cuts because I don't totally know what I'm doing. Anyways, let's diagonally fold in half both ways. And unfold and do the same this way. Okay, now we want to do a balloon's base. Basically means fold all the corners to the center. Alright, now let's unfold these two flaps. Yes. And make this a mountain fold and fold it up to this center crease. Alright, good. Now let's unfold and fold this to the crease we just made. And let's fold this crease to the middle crease. Okay, and we will have something like that. Alright, now you may see a crease here, so let's valley fold up to make sure you have that crease there. Okay. And then we want to reverse these two creases, so make this a mountain, this a valley. Alright, so fold this out again, and let's fold this down, and then fold it, and turn over and fold it back up on this crease. Okay, now let's take this edge and fold it to the center crease. It won't fold all the way, so you will need to swivel it. These may or may not line up. It doesn't really matter. It only matters if this lines up with this crease. Anyways, do that on this side. Alright, let's keep this turned over, and then make a fold that lines up with this crease. You may not see it, but it's there. Rotate and repeat, and then take the top, I guess just this edge, and fold it to this crease, and repeat on this side. Okay, now let's unfold both of these, and we will do kind of a petal fold. So let's just push this up, and then squash both of these sides, like that. And as you can see, these will be the legs, and then do the same over here. Alright, when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll make these legs a little more skinny. So let's take this edge, and fold it to this crease. And unfold, and then open this up, and then make the creases that you formed, make them all mountain folds. And then, make sure you make a point here, so this is what it should look like. And then just collapse it like that. Again, this is what it should look like on the inside, and collapse, and then repeat that on this side. Alright, now we're at the very hard part, which is the head. So let's turn over, I hope I remember this, and take this edge and fold it to this crease, and unfold, and then take this edge and fold to this crease. Okay, now we should have this, and we're going to make a crease from here to here. And then fold up. Yeah, do some from this point, going from here and then up. And do the same on this side. Alright, like that. Now fold all those together and flatten it like this. Now we have to make a crease from this point downwards. So let's turn over. And then just make a crease here going across. So we can do that by valley folding up like that, and then fold about to right here. Now unfold, rotate, and repeat. Okay, now let's do a fold from this point to this point. You can mount and fold it on the back like I'm doing if you want. Makes it a little bit easier. And then take this crease, mount and fold it, and then mount and fold it to the center. Well, so we make a valley fold here. Actually, we're gonna do this all the way down the model, and then do the same here. So we have this, and yeah, the model should look like that. Alright, now let's make a mountain fold along here. So this was a valley fold, and we're mountain folding it. Make the center one, let's fold it all the way, and then make this a valley fold, which it should already be, and then mountain fold this. So it looks like that. And then let's make a mountain fold on the top here from this point to this point. And then make mountain fold here, and here too. So sorry I'm cut so much, but I think I've got it now. So let's valley fold this in, and mountain fold this. And then we should form two reverse folds on either side of this. And then make this a mountain fold in the middle. Sorry, this is a very messy model. Now, let's pop this out like that. And then just collapse it in. I will show you what that looks like again. So, all unfolded should look like that. You can pause the video if you want to make sure your creases look like mine. But, yeah, finally got it. And it should look like that. Now, this part is white and we don't want that, so let's make a fold from this point to this point. Okay, now turn over and do the same thing here. And let's valley fold this inside here. And valley fold this one in here. Alright, now it's time to make the head. Alright, so to make the head, we want to pull this out a little more. Fold on these lines so it's kind of like this. And then let's pinch. Oh, actually first, let's valley fold this in. Let us pinch the ears. So the white doesn't show all the way through the ears, so it looks like that. And then because we want, this is too sharp, so let's round that out with some reverse folds. So one here, and one here. And yeah, you're done. So I hope you enjoyed folding this. I hope you were able to fold it. This was pretty challenging. And see you in the next video. Bye.